Welcome back, viewers. And in another big breaking news, ahead of the Omar Abdullah's meeting with Home Minister Amit Shah, the Congress has taken on the Jammu and Kashmir government, asserting that while it is operational, it lacks the necessary powers and full statehood. Taking a jibe, the Congress says that despite Abdullah's frequent visits to Delhi to press for the restoration of statehood, the region still lacks clear governance structures. The Congress has tried to make a rift once again. This will be the second meeting between Chief Minister Omar Abdullah and Home Minister Amit Shah. Listen to this.
और जम्मू कश्मीर में अभी तो कुछ हुआ ही नहीं कि जिसमें सब कुछ ठीक नहीं चल रहा। सरकार चल रही है, सरकार को अभी पावर ही नहीं है, सरकार को स्टेट नहीं मिल रही, ड्यूल पावर है। लेकिन उमर अब्दुल्ला साहब रोज दिल्ली जाते हैं और उनको कहते हैं कि स्टेटहुड आपने वादा किया था वापस करो, बिजनेस रूल नहीं बने। इसलिए आप देख रहे हैं, इसीलिए तो कहा जा रहा है कि बिजनेस रूल्स के बगैर कि आपके पास क्या अख्तियार है, मेरे पास क्या है, ये हमको पता ही। और चुनी हुई सरकार, हम उनका ही समर्थन कर रहे हैं।
Viewers, I'm also being joined by my colleague Gursimran from Jammu to get us more on the story. Gursimran, this will be the second meeting between Omar Abdullah and Home Minister Amit Shah. However, the Congress has come in between again, where they've said that despite his visits to Delhi, the Jammu and Kashmir Chief Minister's visits to Delhi, the statehood has not been restored. However, this meeting in itself is a quick call over how Jammu and Kashmir requires financial aid and good administration for both, and it is dependent on the centre. So tell us more about this.
See, this statement coming from the Senior Vice President of the Congress Party, Ravinder Sharma, is clearly a tit for tat to the comment that was made by Omar Abdullah that the Congress should stay away from making the allegations on the EVM, because now the Congress Senior Vice President has termed the Omar Abdullah government as a powerless government. He has said that this government has no power, and Omar Abdullah has been running post to pillar, visiting Delhi again and again, so as to tell the national capital, the central leadership, that you have promised the statehood. So this has to be seen that how things will pan out from here, because first the statement that was coming from Omar Abdullah asking the Congress party to refrain from alleging that there is a EVM malfunction. In every elections they lose, and when they win there is no talk of the same. There needs introspection, and now the Congress Vice President in Jammu and Kashmir stating that the government of the Congress National Conference in Jammu and Kashmir, which they are supporting from outside, is the government with no power. So it has to be seen how things pan out, but it is very clear that now the aims are being taken. First the National Conference to the Congress party, and now the Congress attacking to the National Conference, stating that the government has no power. We will be continuing with this rolling coverage right after this short break. On the other side, as Omar Abdullah meets Union Home Minister Amit Shah for the second time after taking oath.